we were given a game every January, and the game this year was to pick up these 24-inch yoga balls, as you can see here, shoot them over a truss in the middle of a 27-foot by 54-foot field, and then score them in a goal at the end of the field. And you got more points if you interacted with other robots on your team and gave the ball, like assisted your other team members. So there's these other FRC robots that are around here, so if we gave them to another team, and then they gave them to another team and they scored, they'd get more points than us just running down the field and scoring. So it was a big theme of cooperation in the game this year. So we wanted to build a machine that could not only shoot and score effectively, but could also pass to other robots very effectively. So I'll start talking about the drivetrain we've got here. We have these 4-inch aluminum I-beams that make up our entire frame, and our drive base uses Mecanum wheels, which can go, the cool feature of those is that they can go any direction we want. So I'll back up out of the way and you can show it. It can go forward and back like that, it can turn, and it can also straight side to side, and it can also go in diagonals. So the rumble part of it. Cool. So that allows us to be very maneuverable on the field, because if you don't have a very good drivetrain, you can't do a whole lot. So that was the beginning of our robot. Moving on from there, we have our arm and intake system, which do you want to pull that up? This arm system can go 180 degrees either way, which allows us to pick up off the ground and pick up from other robots. Anyway, we can go on one side, we can go on the other side, we can go straight up. And also we have a feature that the paddles will automatically close when there's a ball in there.
Smooth, Mike. Jeez.
But the paddles will automatically close when there's a ball in there, so we don't need to worry about operator error with regards to grabbing the ball. And the intake system uses these PVC paddles that we vent ourselves, and these two PVC horns is one on each side. From there, we wanted to have a very, very powerful shooter. So, can you tilt it down to 45? So the way the shooter works, we have 4 basically rubber bands on steroids in here that tension back our shooter, and when we want to, we can fire those forward, and this fires with 240 foot-pounds of force. It's a lot of force. So we're going to, let's see, how should we set up firing this thing? We want to fire back? Okay.
So, fire machine too?
So we're going to shoot backwards. We're going to shoot off the back of our robot into the center.
Go ahead.
That's one wicked shot there. We can score into the goal, which is 7 feet off the ground from around 25 to 30 feet away. So I'll come back to the question I started off you guys on. How long did it take to build this robot? This robot came together from a pile of nothing to brainstorm, designed, and built in 6 weeks. That's all the time we're given to build this robot. And everything on this robot is designed and built by high school students. We have our mentors here that kind of guide us along the way, teach us how to use certain machines, certain programming techniques, whatever. But for the most part, everything on this robot is built by the students. That's a huge, huge plus that FIRST has. And something that an award that we've won from being a team like this, a team that makes sure that everything is done by the students and also gets the word of FIRST out to the community. We won the Chairman's Award at the 2014 Northeastern University District event, which is the highest award that a team can receive at an event. So that was pretty cool. So I think we're pretty much done, but if you want to get involved, we have a couple flyers up here. The What is First flyer shows every level of first from kindergarten to on through high school. So it's been a huge factor in my life, and it's a really cool program. So grab a flyer, and also the other flyer I have up here. Maybe a little more interested for the parents. Are the scholarship programs offered by First. So they not only and their flyers are going.
I got more flyers.
The scholarship flyers will be First offers hundreds of scholarships for many different universities. It's millions of dollars. I think it's $16 million worth of scholarships.
Say what?
All right.
Could Jeremiah please come to the front stage, please? Jeremiah.
Thank you everybody for coming. We're 3 FRC teams over here. We'll be in and around, shooting balls, passing to each other. It'll be a good time. Please drop by. Thank you.
Yeah.